Howdy, creators. It's me, Bluebert the Crayon, here to sprinkle a little colorful magic on your Tinkercad skills. Today, we're learning how to export grouped objects by color, like a pro. Trust me, your future self will totally appreciate this. Step 1. First, click on one color group. Just one, like this super cool blue group. Blue is clearly the best color, just saying. Whoa, quick time out. Let's talk about the word export. It's just a fancy way of saying save your work as a file you can use somewhere else. Think of it like packing your cool design into a little suitcase, ready to go on an adventure. Okay, now back to it. Step 2, rename it. Before exporting anything, click the file name box at the top left and type a smart new name like Bluebert Blue. That way, when you export it, the file name is already perfect. No guesswork later. It's like labeling your lunch so nobody eats your sandwich. Step 3. Now hit that shiny export button. Be sure to choose selected shapes only. We don't want the whole Tinkercad playground, just our one colorful team. Then download the STL file. It'll use the name you gave it, Bluebert Blue, nice and neat. Now, repeat the process for the rest of the colors. Select the group, rename the group, export only the group. That's the blueprint to glory. Ooh, organization saves the day again. Keeping your groups together is like packing a lunchbox. You don't want your sandwich hanging out with your gym socks. Keep it neat, peeps. You're now officially a group exporting champion. Go forth and create. Bluebird out.